Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Please click on the subscribe button down there, and if you find this video helpful and useful to you, please like, comment and share this video. Please kindly do that. So today we'll be doing a button earring that matches the headband we did in the last video, so stay tuned. So for this button earring, you will need your fabric. This is just a scrap fabric, so all those scrap fabrics of yours, don't throw them away. You will need them to make crafts. You will need them, so just keep them somewhere. Then needle and thread, a small scissors. This is actually optional. This is the main thing we'll be using, and we'll need this accessory, this earring accessory. It has a flat surface here and the back. Then as usual, we'll need a glue gun and a scissors, and we'll need this felt. So this is what we'll use for the back of the earring. So let's get started. I like to use the pink side of this fabric, so I'll place the button here and I'll just cut out just a small. So I will cut two of these. So I'll need to cut another one to make it two. I have the two pieces already cut out and I have my buttons on them. You make sure that the side of the button with a dip faces the wrong side of the fabric for both, for both. You have to do that. You have to ensure that that happens. Then the next thing we need to do is just to make a stitch round the fabric, just a stitch near the edge of the fabric. It has to be at the very end of the fabric. Stitch. So this is what I have. Then I'll place the button inside it. Remember the side with a dip there. Then I'll pull. When you are doing that, ensure that the fabric you cut is not too much. So I'll just make sure that I secure this end. You make sure that there's no fold at the edges here. Make sure you pull so tight, and make sure you smoothen in any form of fold at the edge. Ensure that there's no fold at the edge here. So this is what I have here. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the second one. Can say I'll do the same thing to the second one. So this is what we have here, and make sure that there's no bulkiness at the back here of the button. This is the front, this is the back. So the next thing we'll need to do is just to glue this accessory to the back here. Just a bit. We need to glue it here near the top. I'll do that with the second one too. just a bit. Near the top. So I'll allow it to dry for just few seconds. So the next thing I'll do is to cover up this back just a bit. Remember, this thing can be really messy if it's too much. Just a bit of it, a bit, and this. Then you have to pull this, you have to pull it. Then I love to add, for the edges, just to make the edges neat, I love to add this glue on this, on the felt fabric. Then I'll pull. I just love to apply it on this fabric because it stays well, and you can easily trim off the excess. So we are almost done. I'll just cut this just to allow me trim. Then properly I'll trim near the edge of this button earring, and I need to do that carefully. That is why I suggested using a small scissors. A small scissors will allow you to see what you're doing properly. Will allow you to trim properly, I mean. So the first one is ready. Neat, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the second one too. This is beautiful, so beautiful. See the back, and it's so neat, beautiful and neat. So, and it is very simple to make. It goes along with the headband we made in the last video. If you haven't seen this video, kindly check out this video. A matching headband with this earring. So in the next video, we'll be making a scrunchie, a matching scrunchie. So we'll be having a complete set of earring, headband, and a scrunchie. So stay tuned, stay tuned. And if you haven't turned on the notification, your notification, kindly click on subscribe and turn on and click on the notification button now, so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And remember that you are amazing. Thank you.